Today I had the opportunity to visit this residential construction site in Avondale. I want to take you along, show you what I have experienced, and more importantly, what you can learn from each. My name is Aubrey the student the architect. This tour is not just about showcasing the project, it's an opportunity for us to understand the construction methods, design choices, and the engineering principles behind a quality home. Looking around the construction itself, I will see different materials being used, including reinforced concrete blocks, steel reinforced bars, cement mortar, timber roof members, and aluminum window frames. This helped me understand how each one contributes to the strength, durability, and quality of a finished building. One thing I always appreciate during site visits is that every project teaches me new things. It's one thing to study construction in class, but it's completely different to see the work happening on the site and understanding why certain methods and materials are chosen. This visit has given me a better understanding of residential construction, modern home design, and the importance of proper planning. As we step inside, the first thing I have noticed is that this development consists of a true bedroom villas, even though they are compact homes. The layout has been carefully planned to make these spaces feel open, comfortable, and functional. One feature that really stood out to me is the open kitchen plan. Instead of separating the kitchen from the living area within the wall, everything flows together. From what I've observed, this improved the movement within the house, allows more natural light to spread through the space. As I continued around the site, I also noticed this swimming pool, which adds both lifestyle value and property value. It is designed to create a relaxing outdoor environment for the residents. Next to it is the Pergola. Before this visit, I thought it was simply a decorative structure, but I also learned that it provides a partial shade, creates an outdoor living space. Thanks for joining me on this tour.